पूरा स्टडी किया क्या है गैप है गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में, why people are going to private school, because most of the children study in private school because the quality is not good, and we said why can't we make government school the best quality so that all the children can have a free education. सब लोग को फ्री एजुकेशन मिलता है, हायर देन प्राइवेट एजुकेशन सिस्टम, सो दैट इज़ अ मॉडल. अभी तो गवर्नर साहब इनॉग्रेट किया है फेज़ 1 का, अभी फेज़ 2 फेज़ 3, और इधर से रेवोल्यूशन बनाएगा, एजुकेशन रिफॉर्म रेवोल्यूशन. वी पार्टनर विद द गवर्नमेंट. इनफैक्ट आई एम ऑल्सो मीटिंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर टुडे आफ्टरनून. वी विल बी discussing with the chief minister, education minister, and see how we can create a program, because it's not just the building alone. We need to develop the whole system. We wanted to train the teachers, we need to see the gap analysis. So it's a very systematic approach our foundation do. And in Kerala we've been working for 13 years now. 2012 we started. Now the first school is India's number 2 government school, out of 1.2 million government schools. So we want to do the same thing with Kotibag, starting from here, and inshallah we will take it to the whole. 2 years ago, I'm the chairman of UAE India Business Council. We came as a delegation for looking at what we can do for Jammu and Kashmir. And when I went to Dal Lake in the morning, I was talking to the people here, and they said what we want is good quality education and good quality healthcare. And that is where our foundation has been involved in Kerala and in Africa and in Karnataka. So we partner with government to take up the government schools to international standards. And we thought immediately, I spoke to Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha that time 2 years ago, and I said we wanted to start the same model in Jammu and Kashmir, starting with Kotibag. And he said immediately, you're most welcome, and we will be happy to have you here and show this model to actually create a model for Jammu and Kashmir, because education can change everything. That is a pillar of any society. Currently, we have a foundation is financed it's not CSR, we are a philanthropy. We have not just giving money. Our foundation is me and my wife started in 2007. We've been fortunate to make wealth. We believe our wealth is not ours. God has given us as a custodian. We have to have a responsibility. So we said, we wanted to give this back through education. So all the money is spent from the foundation now. This phase 1 is 6 crores. Now we'll be looking at meeting Chief Minister and see how much government will spend, how much we will spend, depending on the requirement.